Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and this is sort of my review of the Samsung Galaxy M31. I know I'm late to the party, but let's see what's how the phone have held up. So basically, this comes with a Super AMOLED screen of 6.4 inches. It's a 1080p resolution, nothing so great, guys. But it is one of the very few phones which is available with the Super AMOLED screen, and it is available for around 15,000. So as you can see, the display is phenomenal, guys, and I've been using this phone as my tertiary device for some time. Like, this is the third phone which I have, and it has held up very good, guys, along with my other phones like the iPhone or the K20 Pro. And the one thing what Samsung have not done justice with this particular phone, you get the 9611. So this is sort of my honest opinion about it. There's nothing so great, guys. Means if you're looking for a gaming phone, then look elsewhere. If you're new to this channel particular, then please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Also, if you want to see such type of quick hands-on kind of review of the phones, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments below. Okay, so the performance is sort of snappy. Let me check some other things. This phone is not hanging, guys, like most of the Samsung other phones. Samsung have done a very good job with it, and the one which I have is a 6 GB 64 GB variant, because I keep changing my phone, and the battery life, which is around 6,000 milliamp hour, is not so great. I've installed the latest patch, guys, over here, as you all can see, and the battery is quite good. Lasts for about typical 1.5 days with my heavy usage. So in short, it's a very good phone, highly recommended. But check out the other options also, and comes with the latest Android security patch that is from October. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.